content to what we're currently working on right now. And our last one, you know, on a windy day, you know how we go outside when we was inside to the grasshopper or out there with mom and daddy and run around in the field. Our kite.
I had a box kite.
You did.
Well, it didn't look anything like that.
But you have a kite. How is a kite different from, what kind of working definition will we use for a kite that will differ from all the other quadrilaterals?
It flies.
And well, you know what?
This is a high school class, right? That's kind of the response you're
So,
gonna
but
get.
well, hold on. You know what? I like that, but let's keep it mathematical.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There's two sets of adjacent sides that are equal to each other.
Okay. Anybody else want to add to that?
The diagonals make a right angle. They're perpendicular to one another.
Where at?
Right in the middle, the intersection, there's all right angles.
So we talked about different definitions for a square, a rhombus, a rectangle, parallelogram, isosceles, trapezoid, and a regular trapezoid, and also a kite. Now, the next part of our lesson, we're going to talk about finding slope. We found slope earlier, but do anybody recall that the formula for finding slope? Yes, sir.
M equals Y2
Is Y2 or Y?
Y2, Y sub 2,
Y sub 2.
minus Y sub 1.
I can't see it.
I'm sorry.
M equals Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1 over X sub 2 minus X sub 1.
So ultimately, we're talking about the changes of
Y.
Y over the changes of
X.
X. Next working definition we need to think about is how will we find midpoint? Do we recall the definition of midpoint, Larissa?
X1 plus X2 over 2.
Is it X1?
X sub 1 plus X sub 2 over 2. And the second coordinate is Y sub 1 plus Y sub 2 over 2.
Okay. Thank you very much. Excellent, excellent, excellent.
And for instance,
And I think we might have to find a distance between 2 points. Do we recall, anybody recall finding distance, the formula for distance? Yes, sir.
Pythagorean theorem, that's all I remember.
Pythagorean theorem? For a straight line? I need to rephrase that question, because you did answer the question that I had. From one point to another point, how will we find the distance? What form?
Quantity Y2, I'm sorry. Quantity X2 minus X1 squared plus quantity Y2
Is it-
minus Y1 squared equals the square, and the square root of that.
A kid's never gonna answer that question. though.
Did you agree?
Okay,
Start with
square
the
root.
big square root. No one.
Quantity X2 minus X1.
Is it X2?
X sub 2 minus X sub 1 quantity squared plus quantity Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1 squared.
And this equals to the
D.
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 Now, I passed out some sheets. Did everybody get a sheet?
Yes, sir.
What I want you to do is, I want you to pair off in groups of 4. And I would like for you, group 1 is the first 4. I would like for you to do 1. Group 2, the next 4.